Alright guys, starting out the video, we got Eric C here again, back on the channel again. It's like 2 times in 1 week it will be, so it's pretty sick. It's a good start. Check this out though, single exit. This shit's fat. You can fist it. That's pretty sick.
It was a pretty easy installation too.
Yeah.
It took me like 30 minutes to do.
Nice.
And what's it called? There's one thing I want to say, like if anybody buys this, they give you, if you have the stock Y pipe, they're gonna give you like extra hardware. The hardware they give you does not fit on the Y pipe, and I accidentally put on like, dude, I tried forcing these 2 like nuts on, and they would not go on.
Really?
Yeah. So I ended up having to like rummage through my shit to find the stock like nuts, but other than that, dude, it's pretty good.
And what exhaust is it again?
ISR single GT.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, they make the blast pipes too, but
yeah,
I wasn't really feeling that like look yet.
It's a bit extra. It's not a Tommy like everyone.
This thing's resonated. It's like pretty quiet.
Is it?
Yeah, but I feel a major difference in power.
Really?
Crazy.
VQs do like exhaust in the takes.
Oh my goodness.
So
it's pretty bad. Like I think not running an exhaust for like 2-3 weeks, I definitely feel like I didn't have as much power. Like this is, it's like the throttle response is a lot better. Like low end, it like guns it, dude.
Damn.
But yeah, we can take her for a spin now and let's see how it is driving and all that. And
I'll get the start up from the outside.
Dude, it's almost gonna like sound like a vacuum cleaner.
Really? Well, that's not that quiet. Bumper fitment is very close though. It looks like it's super close to the bumper.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a bumper tuck. So real quick, import image racing, low key, fuck you guys. No joke, I ordered off of them. They had the cheapest price, which was only like $20 cheaper. But they were on back order for like 3 weeks and they didn't tell me anything. I emailed them after like 5 days of them not shipping it, and they said that the next day they were gonna get their like shipment in, and then it was gonna get it took 2 weeks from when they said the next day they were getting in the shipment.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, and then the guy talking to me like continued to fucking email me. Remember that weird email?
Yeah.
And I went online too, and they have a lot of like bad reviews.
Yeah.
Same thing, like taking forever and all that.
Yeah. It's unfortunate, but
pretty unfortunate.
You can see we out here being honest about companies.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Like I'm not getting paid to like endorse anyone's shit. So like, I want to tell you guys, like, I want to be real about like the things that are actually good. I'm not gonna lie to you if something is like shitty. So
yeah, and even when we do get discounts on stuff or a company sends us something, we're always honest about it.
Yeah, I wouldn't lie to you if I got a shitty product.
So it's not that quiet.
Yeah, it's been getting louder and louder though. That you get a lot more low end torque, I think, and I definitely agree with that. Like I'm not even tuned or anything, but we should do a tutorial of how to drive stick. I could learn some kids, bro. I've been driving stick. Well, like every car I've had thus far has been manual. So for me, it's like second nature.
You've been driving stick longer than anyone else on this channel has.
That's very true.
You had a Celica before we met you, didn't you?
Yeah, I hated it, dude. I remember when I first got that Celica, I was like, I can't believe I got a fucking stick car for my first car. I can't even drive this thing, you know? And then after like a month of driving it, there was one day I like put my foot down and I was like, so this is why people like this shit. Holy crap.
And after Celica, you had the silver Integra.
The nice Integra?
Yeah, the really nice Integra. And then I don't know if was that ever on the channel?
Once. Remember when I hung out with, because remember Brandon hit me up to hang out?
Oh, that one night.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the one time you guys saw it.
Yeah.
And then we went on that cruise.
Oh shit, yeah, the first day that we met. Yeah,
that was the first time I found out that thing had like an insane oil burning like issue. We went around went up to what, just Duluth,
yeah,
right?
Duluth.
We took that cruise, right? And on the way back, my oil light started flashing and all this shit. And like fast forward 2 months, my car would not stop eating like quarts of oil.
Oh,
weird.
That's still the funnest cruise I've been on to this day, though.
Yeah, that was so fun. And then we ran into that one guy.
Yeah, like in the middle of nowhere, some dude's like, JSR, and it's
like we live in a pretty, like this is kind of busy. Like, if you look at that, this isn't as desolate as some areas, you know? We have some people that are like, yeah, my high school was 24 people. Bro, our high school had like
3,000 or 4,000.
Yeah, 3,000 or 4,000 people in it.
Yeah.
The fact that it took us, yeah, legit, if you look at that hill up there, like, I don't know if you can zoom in.
Yeah.
It took for us to go up to the, like, middle of buttfuck nowhere for someone to see us, which is weird.
Seriously. We weren't even the biggest channel back then. Dude, we were kind of small.
It was way smaller.
Yeah.
That's you know, I'm starting to see those, like, get big too, SCs.
Yeah.
But like, it's good because that's a car I've like always liked so much.
Same.
But they're kind of rare, you know?
I've always liked them though. They look cool, they're different. We'll film some revs. Gotta get some outside clips of this. Dude, that sounds sick.
It sounds a lot better.
It still like pops and stuff. That's so nice. It sounds so good. This is a good level for exhaust noise.
And you know what I thought about it in terms of what I'm still gonna do to the exhaust, because I'm not just gonna leave like a white pipe back system. I kind of want to like fuck with the cats and all that.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming like if I did go with like that was a gnarly ass rock. That kind of pissed me off. Let's say I got like a Megan single that's already like kind of loud with just having your cats in and all that. When I get test pipes, that's gonna be like, pull me over right the fuck now loud. This is like, once I get test pipes, it'll be like the amount of loudness that I want, you know?
Yeah, it'll be perfect.
It'll be just perfect.
See, this is 2018 JSR cars though, coming out to the middle of nowhere to rev their cars. 2016 JSR cars would have revved it and redlined it in the neighborhood.
You know, there's some things, would you consider that living and learning, you know?
Yeah.
After you get yelled at by neighbors, you kind of...
It's just like, what's the point, you know?
Yeah, haven't done a first gear polio in a while.
Yeah. You're gonna like it on the freeway. I think it's gonna be so much better than just
the open Y was so fun in the city because I got a shit ton of pops in between my shifts, but being on the highway was just disastrous. I couldn't hear my music or anything. Shit was annoying. And then people in traffic are just like staring at you.
Yep.
Like your car's broken or some shit. You know?
I know that feel.
I want to get a better straight to do a pool.
Yeah.
Because these lights can kind of fuck you. Or actually, I'm good. Yeah, bro. I don't care what people say. If your car gets to 60 in under 6 seconds, that shit is not slow. Yeah. You haven't had a slow car until your car gets to 60 in past 7 seconds. That shit sucks. Yeah.
Sounds good under load too.
Oh yeah.
I'm a fan.
Yeah, I definitely dig it. It's it kind of reminds me of the Yonaka that I got for the Integra.
Yeah, the Integra. I remember that install. And then me and Sam on the way home that night. Oh, good times. I got pulled over.
Oh,
that was the night where...
When you revved at the cop?
Yeah, I redlined out.
You revved at the...
I didn't know he was a cop.
But didn't you think it was some guy in a V6?
I thought it was like a fucking like Mustang just riding my ass or some shit. So my racer self, I thought he flashed his brights, but I heard after from Sam that it was his cop lights. And my colorblind ass just thought that they were brights. So I was getting pissed off since he was riding my ass. So I fucking put it in neutral and red.
One ticket or something?
No, he didn't even give me a ticket.
Yeah. What a guy.
Yeah.
Dude, I get pretty lucky with cops too. Like when I got pulled over coming back from Bailey's one night, oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. I was going, that street we were on, dude, the street I just did the pool on, I was going like 90 one time because I thought some guy was just tailing me, but it was a cop. I was already going 10 over and I was like, well fuck this guy, if I'm already going over, like, he can catch up.
Yeah.
And I dropped a couple gears and took off, and then I was sitting at the next light and I just saw his lights go off and I was like, you've got to be fucking kidding, bro.
We've had our fair share of cop stories. Maybe for another time we'll explain some more, but
yeah. No scream gang.
yeah, definitely. It's perfect.
It brought back the pokiness that I lost from running no exhaust.
Now this leaves the next question, the dreaded question. What's next?
Test pipes.
Test pipes.
Yeah, I want to do that next.
Alright.
Oh, what? Let's see if this one's down the run. Nah, I'm gonna go down this guy. It's Matt Farah, dude.
It's Matt Farah.
Oh, it's Fat Mara. Oh, it's supercharged, little bastard.
Oh,
yeah.
he was trying to fuck
that
you.
Shit. He was trying to. He had that like fucking that like tubby dude grin, you know?
Yeah.
Where it's like, I know I can't beat you on foot, but this car's gonna fucking mop you into the next generation, kid.
Is Outback even good?
Yes.
It is?
Dude, I can vouch for it. But it's if you like steak, you know?
Yeah, I don't like steak. I don't like red meat. That's my problem. What I do like from them though is they got that black bread.
Oh yeah, the
oh my
wheat bread.
god, yeah, so
Dude,
good.
and then they have what's it called? The Chocolate Thunder from Down Under. Kind of sounds like some gay porn duo that like comes out at night and shit, but it's some brownie thing. It's really good.
Oh.
Oi.
Yeah, you did. Stepping out real quick, and the first thing you notice is the camber of these shiny ass wheels.
The mirrors.
Yep. But anyways, guys, there you have it, the new exhaust. More stuff on the way for this. Test pipes coming up next.
Yeah.
But sounds perfect. Good tone.
Definitely.
Good loudness right now. It'll get woken up a bit with the catalyst, so I'm excited. But overall,
I'm excited to get rolling on this thing.
good mod. Eric said it was easy to install, even though it took a month to get here. So
yeah, that wasn't the fun part.
Yeah. But all that matters is that it's on now, so that's what counts. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.